Namkoo has offices in the Philippines, Kenya, and the Caribbean, with engineers on the ground providing training across Asia, Africa, and South America. Our engineers offer full product and technical training to local installation and sales teams and guide them on project sites.
Hi engineers, may guest ako. Look who's here!
What's up mga engineers?
We've trained strong installation and sales teams for many clients and agents in multiple countries, empowering their teams for shared success. Namkoo's solar products offer customization services and after-sales support. We regularly schedule follow-up visits by our engineers. Through these regular follow-up visits and training, we ensure your solar system operates smoothly. We also provide training on solar system operation. Namkoo offers a one-stop service. Feel free to contact us for more information.